Lesson 2.5. Cutting and pasting using a feather value, or feathering. Now, feathering is a technique which allows you to blend images without leaving any obvious signs of the image being manipulated. First of all, we'll show you one way of copying and pasting. So we go into the marquee tool, choose that, and then choose the rectangular marquee tool. We go down and we select the rectangular area of our image. And then we go back, and in the edit function we copy that image, and again back to the edit having copied it, and we paste a special and we paste it in place, and it's actually pasted in the same place as it sits in the original image, but we'll show this to you. There we are. There's a new layer, so we have a layer which is in the same place as it is on the other layer. This will all become apparent in a minute, bear with me. So now we go to image and we choose adjustments and we look at brightness and contrast. Let's take the brightness right up, and as you can see on that bit that we've copied and pasted it's really gone really bright, and the edges are really harsh. Now that's not good to anyone. So let's bin that, having seen that it's no good, and now let's use the feathering technique to show how this can actually be a totally different result. Okay, we go back into the marquee tool. Again, we choose the rectangular marquee tool, but this time we go to the feather value. Let's take the feather value up to, well, yeah, 100. This'll do the job now. So again, we select a similar sort of area, but look at what happens with the feather tool. The outline is more rounded rather than square, and this will become apparent in a minute as to why that is the case. Okay, let's go to edit again, and copy again, back to edit again, back to paste special, paste in place, exactly the same as before, and it's there, and let's look at it now. You see, totally different. The edges are a lot softer. And now again, let's manipulate it in the way that we did with the first one. So we go to image, we go to adjustments, brightness and contrast, take the brightness right up again, and there we are. Same effect in the middle of the image, but at the sides it's a lot less harsh. And there you have it, essentially. So feathering is a technique which allows you to blend images without leaving any obvious signs of the image being manipulated.